Roses are among the most beloved flowers worldwide, known for their stunning beauty and enchanting fragrance. However, many gardeners struggle with getting their rose plants to produce an abundance of blooms. In this video, we'll explore simple, natural techniques to enhance the flowering of your roses without the use of harmful chemicals. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, these tips will help you cultivate vibrant and prolific rose bushes that will turn your garden into a floral paradise. Roses thrive in full sunlight, needing at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose a location where your plants can get maximum exposure. If they are in a shaded spot, consider transplanting them to a sunnier area. Roses flourish in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Add organic compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility. These natural fertilizers enrich the soil with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for flower production. Regular pruning stimulates new growth and more blooms. Remove dead, weak, or diseased stems to promote healthy branches. Focus on cutting just above a leaf set, which encourages branching and results in more flowers. Roses require consistent moisture, but overwatering can lead to root rot. Water the plants deeply but ensure the soil dries slightly between waterings. Use a soaker hose or water at the base to keep foliage dry and prevent diseases like powdery mildew. Mulch not only helps retain moisture but also regulates soil temperature and suppresses weeds. Also decompose to add nutrients back into the soil, enhancing rose flowering. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, is a great natural way to boost rose blooms. Add a tablespoon of Epsom salt to the soil around each plant or dissolve it in water and apply once a month during the growing season. This improves chlorophyll production and promotes lush growth and flowering. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is essential for flower formation. Burying banana peels around the base of the rose bush or blending them into the soil provides a slow-release natural fertilizer that encourages more vibrant blooms. Certain plants, like lavender, marigold, or garlic, repel pests while attracting pollinators, which can improve rose health and bloom quantity. This natural approach also reduces the need for chemical pesticides. By following these natural techniques, you'll soon notice your rose bushes bursting with beautiful blooms, enhancing the appeal of your garden. With a little care and patience, you can enjoy an abundance of stunning roses that will brighten your garden and uplift your spirit. Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more gardening tips.